Today, we are going to make the Firefighter Cargo Utility Kilt. To start making the kilt, we will complete all the items needed in manufacturing the kilt, like fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, measuring tape, a ruler, nylon straps, reflective tape, and hardware. In the first step, we select the fabric, which is khaki, and cut it according to the customer length and waist. Then we cut fabric to make pleated panels. We mark and pin the pleats, then stitch across the top to secure them inside the kilt. After that, we cut fabric to make flap pockets and stitch them on the left side. In the next step, we cut reflective tapes and sew them on the front apron and flaps of pockets. We cut the small fabric to make loops and stitched it on the waist area. Then we take snap buttons and attach them on the front waist, apron, and flap of pockets. We take fish hooks on the right side and attach them with a side nickel hook.